everyone, in today's Instagram video, I want to show you how to use Instagram layouts. It's actually a filter that's built into Instagram stories. And there is also an app called Layouts for Instagram. It's a separate app for doing exactly what I'm going to show you inside of Instagram, but you could take it outside of Instagram and download the app. This is going to focus on layouts for Instagram inside of Instagram stories. This is how you use it. Jump into Instagram stories. So I'm going to press the profile icon, jump in right here. And if you look on the left side of the page, there's an icon right here. This is layouts. I'm going to press it. And it's going to give me this four-sided grid. So I could basically put 4 different images in this one. But if you press this icon right here, you get 6 different types of layouts. Okay, so let me just show you what it looks like if you pick up the camera here. It will take a picture and put it in these 4 squares if you choose the first one. But you have this double layout here. You have the side-by-side, the split screen. You have this one where you show 3 pictures on top of each other, and then 6 pictures and 3 pictures laid out this way. Okay, so once you choose the type of layout, the design that you want, all you have to do is go to the thing you want to take a picture of. So I'll start here. And just press the layout icon right here. You will take a picture. At any time, you could upload your own. On the bottom of the page, you see that little plus sign. If you press that, it gets access to your camera library. But in this case, I'm actually going to take all 3 pictures. So that's 1. Let's go ahead and take a picture of the soundboard here. And then I'll take a picture of what I'm recording right here. There we go. So this is just showing the YouTube studio that I'm using for a video I'm making. So let's say I want to promote this. I could press the check mark right here. And then as usual, I could go ahead and add text or anything else I want. So in fact, let me go ahead and press the double A's. YouTube Studio. And then I'll actually animate this, give it some color. Maybe this should be red like YouTube's colors. There we go. There we go. So I'll put this right in the center and make it big like this. And it's going to animate in just like that. Okay. And I'll go ahead and share this to my story. And this is what it's going to look like. It's basically going to have that grid with 3 different pictures in one. It's one of my favorite ways to design a post for Instagram stories. And as I mentioned, you could look in the App Store or the Google Play Store for layout from Instagram. And that app is going to let you do exactly the same thing independent from Instagram. So you could use that layout feature as a standalone app if you want to take pictures like that. You don't even have to post them to Instagram if you don't want to. You could just create pictures using layouts. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see really easy to follow updates from Instagram and other easy to follow how-to videos on social media and tech. And I hope to see you next time.